Hodge Boy, and this is my bike. As you can see, it's a Kink BMX. It's a nice pattern. Feels nice too when you touch the work letters. The seat. We have the seat, which is Mission. The wheels, pretty pumped up. Got the pegs. Got the cranks that are good. Got the front chain ring, which is black. Got the bars. Got the brake, which is from Mission. Got this, which is from Mission. The game. And front forks. So hit the jump.
Okay, hi, I am Danny Boy. This is my bike check. So as you can see, got the oil slick colony stem. Got the colony bars. Colony front chainring, whatever it's called. Colony pedals. They're pretty good. Colony seat. Custom grips. Just chucked them off my scooter onto here because I never ride my scooter anymore. All in all, pretty good bike. So yeah, about to hit the jump. Safety first, you know.
Like and subscribe to see our new videos.